Hello everyone, how are you? I'm Zenith and welcome to Gardening Mindfully. As you can see, in this video we will be talking about the Dieffenbachia plant. It has thick stems and the large variegated leaves are striking and commands attention, making the Dieffenbachia a statement plant. We'll talk about how to care and to maintain this plant in your home and some of the dangers to look out for when growing this plant indoors. When I was growing up, we called this plant the dumb cane. Now let's go ahead and break that down. The word dumb comes from the fact that all parts of the plant is toxic and can cause temporary loss of speech if ingested. The word cane comes from the fact that the Dieffenbachia has thick succulent stems, and as the plant grows, it loses its lower leaves and the tall stem is exposed, resembling the sugarcane plant. The Dieffenbachia is a tropical herbaceous perennial plant that is native to the Caribbean, Mexico, and South America. It's a popular indoor plant for homes and workplaces alike. However, there are some do's and don'ts when it comes to growing Dieffenbachia. You will mostly see Dieffenbachia growing with large, broad green leaves with white veins. However, the variety I'm showing here, the leaves are mostly white with speckles of green. The leaves of the Dieffenbachia adds a tropical vibe or a tropical flair to any space. The plant is easy to care for, is low maintenance, and makes it a great beginner-friendly plant. When mature, the height is about 6 to 10 feet tall as the plant is fast growing and can grow up to 2 feet in just 1 year. In addition to adding a tropical flair to your space, the leaves of the Dieffenbachia plant filters out pollutants in the air. So that's a double whammy because by filtering out the pollutants in the air, it helps to improve your indoor air quality. Dieffenbachia is often referred to as dumb cane because all parts of the plant is poisonous to humans and pets. So that means the sap, the leaves, and the stems are all poisonous. The sap can irritate your eyes and skin, and the leaves and stems, if ingested, can cause a temporary loss of speech. Other symptoms include blisters in the mouth or burning in the mouth and throat, which can lead to a hoarse voice, and also pain when swallowing. So, an important reminder here is to always wear gloves when handling this plant and also remember to wash your hands. Besides its toxic qualities, the Dieffenbachia plant is great for beginners. This plant has large variegated leaves that makes it a statement plant. But what are the do's and don'ts of growing Dieffenbachia? First do's. To be successful growing Dieffenbachia, be sure to keep it in bright, indirect light. Allow the soil to dry out between watering. Wear gloves when handling the plant and wash your hands if not wearing gloves. Let's talk about 4 things not to do when growing Dieffenbachia or dumb cane. 1. Be careful not to ingest any part of the plant. 2. Do not allow your pets or children near the plant. 3. Do not allow the sap to touch your skin or eyes. And 4. Do not overwater, as this will lead to root rot. Dieffenbachia can grow in a variety of light conditions and will add warmth and brightness to any corner in your home. However, in poor light conditions, your plant may lose its lower leaves and grow a bit leggy. To perform its best, place your Dieffenbachia plant in an area where it gets bright indirect light, such as a south or west-facing window, and it will absolutely sparkle and shine. Here you will notice the plant is experiencing a period of stress, as is evident by the brown leaf tip. This is certainly nothing to be alarmed about, as it's very common for Dieffenbachia to experience brown leaf edges and tips, and is purely a sign that your plant is experiencing a period of dry soil. What we need to do to correct the problem is simply to remove the brown portion of the leaves and water the plant to rehydrate the soil. Thank you so very much for your support, and we look forward to seeing you in another video. Bye for now.